अस्सलाम अलैकुम दोस्तों, आप देख रहे हैं किक चैनल। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें, वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर कर दें ताकि दूसरे लोग भी इससे फ़ायदा उठा सकें। वीडियो शुरू करते हैं।
To use ChatGPT, generally referred to as ChatGPT or a GPT 3.5, in a simple step, follow these instructions. Step 1. Access the OpenAI API. To use ChatGPT, you need access to the OpenAI API. You can sign up for access on the OpenAI website, https://openai.com/. Ensure you have your API key, as you'll need it to interact with the model. Step 2. Choose a programming language. Decide on the programming language you want to use to interact with the OpenAI API. Common choices are Python, JavaScript, or any language that can make HTTP requests. Step 3. Install required libraries. Install the necessary libraries in your chosen programming language to make HTTP requests to the API. For Python, you can use the requests library. Step 4. Make API request. Send a prompt to the OpenAI API to generate a response from ChatGPT. The API call will include your prompt, the model you want to use, GPT 3.5, and your API key. Step 5. Handle the response. The API will return a response, which is the generated text from ChatGPT. Handle the response according to your application's needs.